Welcome to the Pearl Button Primer. Our sewing project is the Pearl Button Patchwork Pouch. I'll show you how to make this pouch 3 different ways with several options to embellish with my favorite notion, the pearl button. The artist interview features Jenny Allen, who creates unique art featuring the pearl button, like this cat named Jack. Hear what inspires her to create with buttons and textiles. In our history lesson, I will give you a sneak peek of the National Pearl Button Museum located in Muscatine, Iowa, and discuss the rich history of the pearl button. I'll also be sharing articles and essays from my archives, along with your printable heirloom art, which includes images of pearl button cards. As an extra bonus, you will receive foundational materials, including digital versions of the Language of Fashion Dictionary and a reproduction of this vintage booklet, The ABC of Embroidery Stitches. These will be wonderful references for your creative endeavors. I have so many ideas to discuss and inspire you, so let's get started.